Today I'm going to show you how to add cinematic black bars using Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin with, I'm going to move this video from the project bin to the timeline. So this is the original clip with no effects. And now to add those black bars here to make this video cinematic, we have to click on the video in the timeline, navigate to Effect Controls, find Crop Top and Crop Bottom, and adjust these values from 0 to 13% on both top and bottom here. And here we have added those nice black bars to make this video more cinematic. The reason I'm adding 13% is because we want to convert this clip to a modern cinematic widescreen format, which is used in most Hollywood films today. Okay? And now one additional thing is, if you cannot see crop settings here under Effect Controls, what you might have to do is when you select the video, you have to navigate to Effects, type in and find this crop effect under Transform, drag and drop this effect on your video, and then under Effect Controls, you'll see crop settings on its own here. So you'll just have to adjust top and bottom through this effect here. And this is it, guys. This is how you add those black cinematic bars on your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.